how to get your funds onto Solana or from Solana to another blockchain. I'm going to show you quickly with this tutorial. So here we are at Jupe.ag. Let's come to the top where it says Solana, and we've got all these different options in order to get funds, such as using a centralized exchange or using OnRamp as a tool. Then we've got USDC, and we also have a bridge compare tool right here. However, the easiest thing that I've ever found is using dBridge. It's June 2024, and this is currently my favorite bridging solution. So I'm going to show you how you can take funds from an Ethereum virtual network to Solana. So this is for people that are on Ethereum virtual networks and they want to potentially play on Solana, but they don't have any Solana at present. You can use this tool to get some Solana and you don't need to use a centralized exchange. So at this point, we're going to go and connect our wallet, and we need to work out which wallet actually has some Ethereum. So in my Rabby wallet, you can see if I tap on this, on the base network, I've got about $50 worth of ETH. And then in my Solflare, I've already got some Solana and USDC, but let's pretend you've got a brand new wallet. We'll call this our bridge wallet, add this, and let's pretend that we've got nothing. So now we have to connect our wallet. So let's click connect wallet and then select our wallet. I'm going to choose Rabby. Now, because I have so many different wallets that are actually installed, as this is a tutorial, I have a little bit of an issue. So what we're going to do is we're going to find Trust Wallet, right click on it, click on Manage Extension, and we're going to turn it off. Then we'll come back here, we've refreshed our page, we'll tap on Rabby, and then we can see it connects easily. Now I don't have any ETH on Ethereum, so let's change this to Base. Select Base, select ETH because we have some, and then let's do a small amount, maybe 0.005. That's almost $17 worth. That's going to convert into Solana. What we need now is to provide a Solana address. Come up to our Solflare, we'll go and copy this, come back here, paste it, back up to our Solflare, and let's check the characters. All correct. We can see we are paying a fee. There's an extra fee that's paid here. We're also losing a little bit in terms of the actual value. It's going to take about 1 second, and we're accruing some points from dBridge. Those points may give us a token allocation for dBridge in the future. We'll confirm trade. We can see all the details here in Rabby, and we'll sign and create, and then we'll confirm. The transaction has been confirmed, and it's been broadcasted. The order was created, and the order was fulfilled. So let's go back to our Solflare, and just like that, you can see we've got Solana. Now, what about if you want to go the other way? Let's go and reverse this. And of course, you won't want to bridge Solana to another network because you can't use it over there. So let's take this one here, Sol, make sure it's on Solana, and maybe USDC coin. And we can go to the base network if we want to, or we can even choose a different network. Maybe we want to go to Arbitrum. And over on this network, we may want to buy USD coin. So let's connect our wallet. I'm going to go with Solflare. I don't have much USDC here, but let's go with $15. That's going to get us basically $15 over here. And then once again, we can go and copy our address. Now with MetaMask though, we have to do it a little bit differently. So up in the top left, tap on this, and then tap Add Network. And then add Arbitrum 1, then approve and switch to Arbitrum 1. Then got it, close this, back to Jupe, into our MetaMask, and we can see the Arbitrum logo right here. Now the wallet address is still going to be exactly the same. So we'll copy that and paste that here. The wallet address for all of the EVMs is always going to be the same. If we go back to MetaMask, we can always go and create a second wallet address, go to account, add a new account, create, and this is generated from the same secret recovery phrase, but it is a different address. But for account number 1, doesn't matter which network we're on, it's always going to be the same address. So we'll go back to Arbitrum, and now I want to go and send this USDC. Now, because I have to pay a fee, I have to reduce this amount. So always factor in the fee. So $14, double check everything. We may begin some points. Let's confirm trade and approve. Let's go to our Rabby wallet and let's refresh right here. We can see we've got more money. And here we've got the base logo and also the Arbitrum logo. Click here and we've got almost $14 worth of USDC on Arbitrum. If we go into our MetaMask wallet, scroll on down, we cannot see the USDC. We actually have to import the token and import all in order to be able to see it. Now, if you want to bridge from Solana to other networks, you know how. However, of course, it's my belief a lot more people will be bridging into Solana. So that's how you do it. You bridge into Solana at Jupe.ag using the dBridge dApp. That's all for this tutorial. Catch you in the next one.